Hey, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So we are using this Winans triple berry frozen fruit. It's blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. And I have some bananas, apple juice, and some walnuts in there. And we're going to go ahead and blend this together. Alright, and here we go. And I intentionally made this more watery, so it's more like the consistency of a naked or a Bolthouse juice. Because I want a juice and not necessarily a smoothie consistency. But of course, if you want more smoothie consistency, you would add more frozen fruit or ice. But here it is. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. Delicious. I hope that was helpful. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.